Hello everyone, this is Mugundan Raghavan, and this video we are going to start a new series about agentic AI framework, and the framework name is called AutoGen from Microsoft. Before starting this series, we are going to understand first of all why do we need agents, and also we are going to see what are the basic characteristics of agent. Why? Because we have multiple frameworks in the market. For example, AutoGen from Microsoft, Crew AI, LangGraph or LangChain. Even some more will be coming into the future. So that's the reason we will understand, first of all, why do we need agents? So far in the AI time, we have the LLM tools such as ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot. These tools will give you some kind of output based on your prompt. The more you have the quality of prompt, the more quality you will have in your output. However, it will not take any action. What do I mean by that? For example, if you ask for a particular program, it might give the code to you, but most of the time it will not execute. Even sometime if it executes, it will not fit that into the big framework. So basically, it can be useful to get the output for the required query. If you are from the DevOps person, you might be knowing like this kind of workflow might be having the different persons interactions, different systems, different applications. In this scenario, your ChatGPT or LLM may not be helped to the full extent. So that's the reason to achieve the full AI features in our entire business workflows or the complex workflows, we need to get into the agentic AI framework. So in simple words, we can understand in other way. For example, generative AI tools are something called highly skilled person who creates the content for you. For example, if you are the developer, he will create or the AI tool will create a different kind of code based on your prompt. Or if you are from the artistic background, based on your prompt, it will create the different videos, audios, even images. However, it will not take any action by itself. It will be simply waiting for your input or prompt. However, agentic AI frameworks are something more than that. It's kind of a project manager who understands the entire goal of the organization. And after understanding the goal, it breaks into the small task and delegates the responsibilities and interacting with the different resources from the company so that the project is completed. So it is taking care of the entire flow, especially the complex flows. Then how the agent looks like or what are the basic characteristics? The first one, goal oriented. When compared to the ChatGPT or any LLM tool, it may give the output, but it will not have any goal. But agents will have the goals. Autonomy. So this is the main point about the agents. It can act by itself. Based on the idea, based on the goal you have given, it can take the necessary actions. Action is the unique parameter which differentiates agents from the LLMs. And decision making. Yes, as we stated already, it can take the decisions based on your context, based on the logics you have provided. And also, agents itself can interact with other agents. Basically, it can have the collaboration with other agents to achieve the goal. Apart from that, it will learn from its own mistakes, whereas your LLM may or may not learn, but these agents will learn from its own mistakes. And also, these agents will have its own memory, so that this memory can be used for the further actions, or even it can be shared with other agents. The main point about the agents is you can design your agents such a way it can follow some ethical behaviors. And also it can have the error recovery. Sometimes everything cannot be handled by agents. So that time it will recover from the errors if it happens. And main point here to be noted is agents itself can use the different LLM tools and different other tools. For example, LLMs in the sense one agent might use the OpenAI LLM or other agent might be using the Llama. So based on the agent, based on your workload, based on the nature of the goal, you can use the different agents with the different LLMs. And also these agents can use other tools such as browsers, code executor, and so on. So by using these agents, you can create or accomplish a different complex workflow having different goals. That's the reason we are going to create these agents. However, Creating agents and maintaining agents, monitoring agents is not an easy task. For that case, we have the different agentic AI frameworks in the market. Having said that, Microsoft AutoGen is one of that. In these coming sessions, we are going to see how to learn this agentic AI framework, taking Microsoft AutoGen as one of the framework and creating from the scratch. As part of this introduction, now we are clear that why are we going to the agents and what are the basic characteristics of agents and what is the framework we are going to take it up in this series, which is Microsoft AutoGen. And this is all about this video, and always be a rainbow in others cloud.